I have something special for you over here. And we are going to start with think fast. There's no time for you all to think.
Okay.
This time, I'm not the one who's going to interview you. Your partner is going to interview you.
Oh.
It's both the ways. Okay. So there are going to be 2 rounds. Don't round astele. Okay. Fast question is arpache, fast answers dipache. There's no time to think. Just say whatever is coming to your mind. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your time starts.
Okay, go.
Now, come on.
When is the best time to hug someone?
Anytime.
What's your secret talent?
Secret talent?
Okay, come on, say
Being
it.
an actor.
Whose fault it is?
Whose fault it is? Never mind.
Make up a name for a song.
Make up a name for a song?
Yeah.
To what?
Is
What
that
is-
the name of the song?
Yeah.
He just made it up. What is the worst smell?
What is the worst smell? I can't think of any smell.
Okay.
Gone.
Okay, here you are.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
What is the first thing you say when you wake up?
Good morning.
Why are you scared right now?
Not at all.
What's the best place to get married?
Anyway.
How do you smile? Okay, sing me a song.
Really?
Sing. 1, 2, 3, start.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Good one.
Yes, good one.
Was that the
Good
last
one.
question?
Yeah.
So we are moving on with the round 2 now.
Yes.
Okay. And this is going to be something nice. This is for you and this is for you. You need to be very quick. One question after
Oh,
the other. All right?
Who's going first?
Ay.
You only.
Why?
Should I
Why?
start?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So whose serial number is 1?
Yeah.
Come on, start, Sylvia.
I don't want to ask this question. What's my middle name?
you need to hurry.
Telma.
Okay.
Is that a middle name? Telma. Nice for our viewers to know, yeah? All right, come on.
What's another name for a gas?
Say it.
I don't know. Oxygen cylinder?
Louder. It's loud.
Oxygen cylinder?
All right, continue. Who's the next one to us?
Yell my first name.
Sylvia!
Yeah. All right, good.
One more time.
How tall is your grandson?
I will know after some years, maybe.
All right, okay, next one.
What is your dog doing right now?
Must be sleeping somewhere or barking on the road.
Okay, who's the other one?
Why is it so hard?
I don't know. Show me your angry face.
Hey,
Seriously?
show it to our audience, yeah. I need to see it.
Who? Angry face to
Yeah,
her?
you show it for everybody.
That is your angry face.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't get angry.
Oh.
Okay. Then?
My turn, no? What is the pig trying to say when it oinks?
It's calling you. Why did you eat my toothpaste?
Because I felt hungry and there was nothing to eat.
Ew.
Was that the last question?
No, there are 2 more. What rhymes with umbrella?
Come on, say it.
I can say.
Say it. You have something in your mind?
No. No.
What rhymes with umbrella?
You're asking me?
Yes.
Umbrella? All right, next. Who's the other?
She has to ask.
I don't have anything else.
Done? That
Done?
was the last question?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the dangerous thing to eat?
My brains.
Is that your last question?
Yeah, this was the
and
last.
her brains. Wow, what an answer. Good, yeah. Well played. We'll clap for each one of us. Yes.
Yes. And she also answered, no?
All right. Yeah, you made me answer that.